The Jaintia National Council Khliehriat Circle JNC-KC, led by its General Secretary Symboh Baiar on Wednesday raised serious concerns over the safety of school children commuting along National Highway 6. The council acted following multiple complaints from parents regarding the free movement of heavy vehicles during school hours, which has reportedly endangered children and led to severe traffic congestion. According to the JNC-KC, students, particularly those attending schools in and around Khliehriat, are forced to cross the busy highway daily to reach the respective institutions. With the ongoing road construction work on NH-6, traffic snarls have become more frequent, and the presence of large vehicles during peak school timings has further worsened the situation. To address the issue, representatives of the council met with the Deputy Commissioner of East Jaintia Hills District on Thursday. During the meeting, the JNC-KC urged the administration to impose a no-entry regulation for heavy vehicles during critical hours, specifically from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. and from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. when school children travel to and from school. In response, the Deputy Commissioner assured the Council that the matter would be taken seriously and confirmed that the no-entry rule for heavy vehicles would be implemented starting Friday during the recommended time slots. The decision is aimed at easing traffic congestion and ensuring the safety of school children in the area.